On this morning, again, Happy New Year's everybody. Calendar 1 January 2022. Very sadness, still poor for my current financial because the experience case him in common with some grief. From local people's domestic country Indonesia, basically, which already been proof by international ally through experience telecommunications contact worries of natural happening until this New Year's 2022. Definitely for the proof since 2008, non-bluffing international, and to this moment New Year's again, still silence. 6661 for the scar framing on the reporting or make conference this meaning also. For our experience telecommunications contact with supernatural, see from international connections, alien family, and can we trust about this? Say alien family international with the appointment into the ID 6661 for the scar frame definitive available and already being permissions for status on Stockholm by Alien State, United States of America, with title 666 ICDM. Basically, signature by Alien State, United States of America, and context saying that about alien farming ownership Stockholm to Bitcoin, United States of America, and also Arab Islam. Still contacting, quite absurd, but also on this moment 6661 for the scar framing being acceptable for status Islam Stockholm effects on this progress. Our probability about that and still chasing for contacting 6661 for the scar framing. Want confirmation also about that on this moment. Want contacting Alien State, United States of America also for about them. Official delegations or partnership actually with 6661 for the scar framing together as owner of Stockholm 666 ICDM. Honor of decoration existence in National Mine River 226. The alien family all through countries. When they say that's going to be collecting as coalitions on the progress. 6661 for the scar framing on this mama New Year's. Still want contact also. For about experience case supernatural from neighborhood or confusing connections experience happening also, because since also from Chinese peoples or perhaps also about white skinned peoples. Context saying 6661 for the scar framing need to be reported until this moment in the calendar New Year's 2022. Still being disturbed, still being terror, but about economy, personal, financial also, name one could name. Still being manipulated by local peoples and context already on alibi about that, but for regions, local, domicile address also on the neighborhood name in one corner. Context Chinese peoples or white skinned peoples also still following, and just have context from Africa peoples still include, still involved for proving experience bullying ordinary life 666 over scar framing. Context need to be reported about that. I still got disturbed, still being terror, still poor, meaning about my financial, personal, and context saying there is no clue for the executions given a reward money for neighbor connect. Local people seems contacting mildly and also about indications either ocnum or government politicians perhaps contact happening also say in this country going to escape from this moment and start to suspect actually. But about ordinary life, 666 one called scarf framing, being bullying, being manipulated for economic, financial, personal, name it one called also. I want to say still insist for my reward money and want confirmations, want conference about that through this moment calendar, New Year's also. Because this will be 2022 actually, and I believe my conference speech can be translated, can be understood by international, with also my delegations lawyer club or my partnership for this moment alibi also, so alien state United States of America or alien foreign nationality. Context saying there's also about alien family being discredited, being manipulated, meaning also for their status. Definitive, actually, only in alibi by United States or countries, Islam also. Definitive alien farming not guilty, and this case goes to about already life 666 on scarf framing actually. Name one corner definitive being bullying, being thrown by local neighborhood or people's domestic Indonesia. For about supernatural experience or case, economic, financial, personal, name one corner also. 666 one corner scarf framing. During about that also got contact for about alien mortgage agent. Corporation National UFO recognized also about this moment progress about Internet ID 666 one called scarf as meaning also alien family want to say Happy New Year's to everyone and also Merry Christmas to international at the same time also. Alien family going to become a country as similar with another. On international as real country, perhaps context saying that's our probability also, not just internet country or internet money logo, but going to become a real country geography with office still want to promote about planet Mars or code nationality Galactica. Because for next considerants they are being search for compensation for conducive situations to promote, because context say this about Islam also, Islam continents or meaning also for about United States of America at the same time. Contradictions and applications context similar with that. El for international at the point also want to become a real country geography among human countries on planet Earth. Context also about planet Mars as office country geographical nationality galactica futuristic actually. 666 on for the scarf framing being approved, being contact on this moment calendar for May Day the promote also. Context say alien founders now got connected and still watching for the progress experience. 666 on for the scarf framing with countries also. Definitive island family friendly with international countries on this progress because case Internet ID 6661 discovery definitive non-hoax and goes to about the suspect human or well Indonesia country. Definitive kod dukun kod beguganjang kod ethnic lokal di bumi Indonesia and also about the economic financial personal name or meaning about reward money 22 trillion rupiah name one connect. Context here that's wonder by international and or even conversation with island farm for proving the claim statement basics case about that. Ordinary life 666 one discovering ordinary job name in one connect about case supernatural which meaning why the other 666 one discovering. Context say until this moment year 2022 name one connect need to make the report because for agent actually include on last night on this New Year's also meaning definitive name one cornell non-fake for the statement claim being bullied, being a victim premiered by suspect, being blamed good by local domestic peoples from country Indonesia, being sabotaged for about ordinary job name one cornell. Context said that's already proved by for agents local domestic address or neighborhood name in one corner or meaning also on Jakarta similar also because based context this experience or large 666 for discovery definitive already being understand actually get connected straightly each other. Context that's meaning also include peoples from Java Island being watched being proof for their experience supernatural. 666 on discovery with context actually quite famous on social. To Jakarta also, Java Island, definitive that's about ordinary job name one can also or meaning also about pocket name one connect. Economic financial personal name one connect. For investigate about claim on a reward called international suitable register also already 22 trillion rupiah name one connect. Context say that quite interest by international and need to be conference on this moment calendar already proof definitive makes sense definitive responsible non-fake international code suitable definitive truly statement claim ordinary life name one cornell definitive being a sabotage by local peoples domestic country Indonesia and that's meaning 22 trillion rupiah income also as calculating for about them. Context saying that include zone territory domestic suspect local domestic which others on country Indonesia. Context saying definitive name one correct God listed God listed on ordinary. Until this is 2022 they are from Aceh also. Context saying that also include about North Sumatra Province University. People from dozen, people from student movement, and also about local police also, and also about Oknum or meaning also unknown peoples. Similar, their compilations, coalitions together, similar with Dragon Balls, made fusions on the experience happening and already being chased on real conversation or observations peoples definitive are called on indication suspect already live 666 on discovery definitive are called suspect premier on international case supernatural that goes to internet ID 666 on discovery 666 discovery until this moment calendar 2022 experience telecommunications contact supernatural, definitive pictures for translating speech in the ID666 Congress Conference. Context say in the ID666 Congress Conference, definitive on clear conversations, clear conference. They are already being translated from the United States of America. People of South America and also Asia countries on the internet ID666 Congress Conference. 666 Congress Conference on this moment at New Year's 2022, definitive and want to say that chicken also include on this moment indications. It will be observed also about the chicken. 666 Congress Conference contact on this moment say only live 666 Congress Conference actually already include international info actually, and want to report also they are include Asia people also, and then also from white skin people also say noisy just like what okay. The chicken fair noise and context say don't close that sound run. Okay. I'm very upset for the activity. You can trust me that chicken is supernatural. Definitive suspect on this moment. They can do that. Transformations or dukunism, occultism local peoples doing chicken there. 6661 for the scout framing on this moment calendar. Contact say this expression on 6661 for the scout framing peoples from Europe also, or that. Because from Europe or connection internet ID666 for the scout framing also already include Europe peoples from Europe, and then also from international countries and others, that's also Islam, Arab, from Islamic also based context saying it to be conference also about that, and also people from United States, America also since yesterday keep following, keep informed for 666 for this conference, and just get contact also say from local domestic people's country Indonesia, and our commitment to international 666 for this conference for proving claim reward money 22 trillion rupiah name in one comment. For proving about ordinary job naming are going to be sabotaged by suspect connection syndicate local people, and also about zone territory suspect activity based context say already being alibi also. Definitely a similar conference into the ID666 for this conference. Local not Bohot, Town Medan, not Sumatra province also, and another territory on this province. Context just goes until Aceh, so Aceh and also another residents, such also Java Island also and Sumatra Island. Almost also about sabotaging ordinary job naming one comment. Context say that's about ramainya bidang usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan. Ya. Contact on this moment say from white people want confirmation about that. Definitif cukup ramai sekali tahun-tahun sekarang ini seluruh wilayah-wilayah Indonesia. Kontak ini atas nama kalangan orang kulit putih yang mengikuti klaim internet ID666 Mongkolis Cover ini dan menginginkan pembuktiannya secara cepat dan langsung karena mencurigakan tentang pernyataannya. Contact say similar with that And there's already proof based context also. Memang benar terbukti ramainya usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan terjadi di mana-mana dan menyangkut tentang internet ID 666 ruang kondisi ini already proved by us. People from United States of America that are domiciliary address on Town Medan definitif nama Irwan Cornell punya keuangan sesungguhnya dari bidang usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan. Menyangkut pula ketersangkaan ataupun pelaku aktivitas supernatural yang dimaksudkan oleh kita semua dan internet ID 666 Irwan Cornell Discovery. Mereka ini bekerja dalam bidang usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan, mengikuti keseharian nama Irwan Cornell, mengganggu penghasilan ataupun merogoh kantong nama Irwan Cornell. Kantong celana di mana kami semua orang dari masyarakat Amerika Serikat yang ada di kota Medan mengetahui dan mempertanyakan kepada mereka. Ternyata mereka ini memang sengaja untuk mengakibatkan celaka kepada hidup nama Irwan Cornell. Sebab nama Irwan Cornell mengusahakan perkara yang sebenarnya. Pembuktian internet itu tidak baik bagi mereka. Mereka merasa terbongkar secara perkara teroris mereka ini. Kontak ini dinyatakan atas nama kalangan orang Amerika Serikat yang ada di kota Medan ataupun membuktikan pernyataan internet 666 Irwan Cornell Discovery tentang merasa tersabotase usaha tambal ban perbengkelannya dari ramainya bidang usaha tambal ban perbengkelan yang terjadi pada tahun-tahun sekarang ini. Untuk ini menyatakan bahwasanya nama Irwan Cornell memang dibuktikan secara cepat tanggap oleh kalangan orang kulit putih, orang Amerika Serikat yang berdomisili di negara Indonesia. Keterkaitan klaim mengaku menemukan nomor termasuk ke dalam Alkitab melalui internet dan menyangkut tentang mengaku tersabotase bidang usaha tambal ban perbengkelannya sekalian. Keterkaitan ketersangkaan pelaku supernatural Human Commanding Ghost Grave yang dimaksudkannya. Zona teritori ketersangkaan yang menyangkut lokal neighborhood country Indonesia yang termasuk juga Kota Madya Medan, Provinsi Sumatera Utara dan daerah-daerah sekitarnya. 666 ruang kondisi ini memang diikuti oleh masyarakat Amerika Serikat yang menginginkan nama Irwan Cornell untuk menjadi bagian dari kalangan alien friendship masyarakat Amerika Serikat. Alien T terhubung bersama Amerika Serikat menyangkut pembuktian dukun Indonesia ini. Human Commanding Ghost Grave yang dimaksudkan oleh nama Irwan Cornell nyatakan definitif dominan memang berstatus tersangka utama, tidak lain tidak bukan. Kode Beku Ganjang, kode dukun lokal etnik Karo, etnik Nias, etnik Batak, etnik Jawa menyelenggarakan perbuatan sihir, hantuisme perkuburan kepada internasional teroris abad milenium yang diketemukan melalui klaim internet ID 666 ruang kondisi Discovery bersama alien T United States of America juga menyatakan bahwasanya keterkaitan ramainya marak tambal ban dan perbengkelan serta merta sebagai bagian dari pengurusan ini. Nama Irwan Cornell dinyatakan punya project appointment bersama alien T dan Amerika, merupakan bagian dari masyarakat Amerika Serikat dan menyangkut kepada reward yang dimaksudkan oleh nama Irwan Cornell serta merta juga 22 triliun rupiah yang dimaksudkan oleh nama Irwan Cornell. Nomor 66 ruang kondisi ini still need to be split. Context say name ruang Cornell actually being accepted for status national to United States of America. Part of alien family, alien state, and also peoples from United States for giving reward and also about appointment. Also 666 workers company include United States of America, peoples from United States. Context say local city town on Sumatra province or town Medan, also neighborhood exclusive for about United States peoples, and name one colonel being acceptable being proposed for our address with them. Context say that zone residence is complete JCT. Context say how's about that? Do you want to become part of local town Medan, United States? Peoples from neighborhood JCT. Okay, I already here for that and already made these confirmations also about that. 666 worker discovery me. Contact on this moment again, speaking Indonesia again. Okay, I'll try for made bilingual so can be get connected each other. I mean. Ya, aku ingin mengatakan bahwa Irwan Cornell punya rumah tinggal di JCT komplek itu atas nama Amerika Serikat. Konteks ini terhubung kepada nama Irwan Cornell sebagai messaging also can be accepted. For discovery being proof on JCT. Definitive name Irwan Cornell on residence home on JCT komplek Medan Johor tersebut. Oke, saya sudah dengar dan ya tentang appointment deklarasi tersebut dan menyangkut juga tentunya benar tentang 22 triliun rupiah itu. Saya inginkan terrealisasi karena sesungguhnya memang telah terbukti secara paket perkara dan sesungguhnya wajar untuk status reward keuangan, dimana juga menyangkut tentang appointment deklarasi mata uang 666 tersebut. Saya sangat senang sekali dengan alamat rumah saya yang ada di komplek JCT dan saya mengharapkan pernyataan saya pada detik-detik sekarang ini dapat dipahami juga keterkaitan appointment deklarasi mata uang 666 tersebut bersama Amerika Serikat. Ya, 22 triliun rupiah name Irwan Cornell. Dan tentang speaking English from name Irwan Cornell can be fixed and translating and learn much on future. Ya, itu juga bukanlah persoalan, saya yakin. Dan demikian terlebih dahulu on this moment ini nanti akan menyangkut appointment deklarasi mata uang 1666. Ya, oh berarti bukan JCT. Kalau 22 triliun rupiah berarti kau akan menuju 666 internasional, itu JCT. Kok artinya akan tinggal, oh bukan, kau punya uang. Okay, quite confusing, but I made the conference on this moment that can be understand next by watching this conference recording video. About our conversation happening. 22 triliun rupiah menyangkut konferensi-konferensi sebelumnya. Sama sebenarnya itu secara basic penjelasannya. Mengapa 22 triliun rupiah? Yang mana penelitian ini juga akan didukung dengan file-file pendukung secara alibi, termasuk juga kotisi video lainnya, ataupun juga pernyataan-pernyataan alibi secara internasional dan juga peradilan internasional. Saya yakin secara pembuktian kita sama-sama mengerti bahwasanya evidence ataupun alibi saling mendukung satu sama lain. Tidaklah hanya tunggal satu laporan seperti laporan internet nama Irwan Cornel, namun sungguhnya dapat didukung oleh alibi-alibi yang termasuk seperti juga pernyataan dari kalangan-kalangan yang berkomitmen dengan perkara ini, orang kulit putih, ataupun juga termasuk seperti video-video dukungan lainnya seperti penemuan-penemuan di lapangan di dalam keseharian, seperti juga video-video ramainya bidang usaha tambal ban ataupun ramainya kegiatan supernatural di beberapa lokasi tertentu, ataupun ramainya kejadian-kejadian yang sangat kuat sekali memang mencenderungkan perkara supernatural nama Irwan Cornel ataupun kita semua. Saya yakin kita dapat memahami omongan saya pada detik-detik sekarang ini. Definitif saya tertipu menyangkut pengurusan ganti kerugian keuangan ataupun reward perkaranya, yang mana terkait pula tentang percakapan bersama sosial ataupun orang-orang yang terkait kepada indikasi perkara supernatural dimaksud, dikelabui keterkaitan pengurusan percakapannya ataupun juga menyangkut reward ganti kerugian keuangannya. Definitif saya mengakui hal tersebut, seperti contoh misalnya usaha tambal ban saya diganggu secara terselubung. Definitif saya sudah mendengar kontak ini terhubung menyatakan bahwasanya usaha tambal ban nama Irwan Cornel merupakan penipuan yang diperencanakan oleh para pelaku kepada keuangan nama Irwan Cornel. Definitif memang usaha tambal ban nama Irwan Cornel mengalami sabotase besar-besaran atas nama ramainya bidang usaha tambal ban dan perbengkelan yang terjadi, di mana menyangkut pula tentang pengurusan serah terima mobil Daihatsu Grand Max minibus nama Irwan Cornel. Kontak menyatakan itu sebenarnya satu paket yang disembunyikan dari nama Irwan Cornel. Keterkaitan pula ada iming-iming seperti menyerahkan rumah seperti rumah pribadi yang beralamat di satu lokasi tertentu, seperti misalnya beralamat di daerah Padang Bulan ataupun di dekat komplek USU, komplek Universitas Sumatera Utara. Kontak menyatakan hal itu juga merupakan satu paket yang sangat dicurigakan menipu nama Irwan Cornel terkait pengurusan ganti kerugian keuangan ataupun reward perkara yang dimasukkannya. Kontak ini menyatakan sudah termasuk alibi atas nama orang kulit putih yang berdomisili alamat di Pulau Jawa di Jakarta. Definitif memang terhubung dengan pengalaman keseharian kontak supernatural nama Irwan Cornel. Definitif mengakui nama Irwan Cornel memang mengalami sabotase kehidupannya oleh orang-orang tidak bertanggung jawab, termasuk juga mereka jaringan melalui Pulau Jawa, menyangkut kalangan entertainment nasional Ibu Kota Jakarta ataupun juga menyangkut kalangan politik Jakarta ataupun Pulau Jawa. Definitif menyangkut pula kepada istilah oknum seperti juga orang-orang yang terlibat di dalam bidang usaha tambal ban. Konteks menyatakan mereka ini sepertinya getol dengan bidang usaha tambal ban ataupun perbengkelan. Ramainya bidang usaha tambal ban ataupun perbengkelan. Apakah itu merupakan kamuflase ataupun juga menyangkut tentang perkara supernatural yang sebenarnya? Namun mereka menyatakan sungguhnya punya keuangan dari bidang usaha perbengkelan ataupun tambal ban yang menyangkut mereka ini kepada ketersangkaan sesungguhnya sangat dicurigakan atas nama negara Indonesia, atas nama Indonesia. Terkaitan pun tentang informasi ataupun konteks yang menyangkut kronologi tahun 2008, seperti juga konferensi internet 1666 Irwan Code Discovery Meeting sebelumnya. Namun secara pokok mereka ini menyangkut kepada negara Indonesia. 1666 Irwan Code Discovery menyatakan mengetahui tentang status perkara yang dimaksudkan dan diakui oleh internasional, terdaftar di peradilan secara internasional, yang menyangkut juga pada pengakuan menemukan nomor termasuk ke dalam Alkitab di tahun-tahun milenium ini. 1666 Irwan Code Discovery ini. Demikian terlebih dahulu pada momen kali ini dan mengucapkan terima kasih kepada internasional, termasuk juga menyangkut tentang Alien Family United States of America. Pengurusan perkara supernatural abad milenium ini dengan ketersangkaan kecenderungan pada pengurusan keuangan ataupun ganti kerugian perkara nama Irwan Cornell. Untuk menyatakan Indonesia merupakan primer suspek ataupun tersangka utama dengan alibi pengalaman keseharian dari nama Irwan Cornell, tersabotasi bidang usaha tambal ban ataupun pembengkelannya, serta menyangkut tentang pengurusan keuangan ataupun ganti kerugian perkara yang dimasukkannya. Thank you very much, and people can search for information or the conference on social media internet, such as also Google and then also Facebook and Twitter also, and Tumblr also, and Pinterest also, and then also YouTube, of course, for recording voice and some courtesy already made by name Irwan Cornell on YouTube with ID 666 Farsi IDM. 666 ICDM. I repeat that again, 666 Farsi ICDM, and also ID Professor Irwan Cornell. 666 ICDM definitive already being registered on international court and being proved until this New Year's 2022. Every year's international, and to this minute, I still got connected contact saying that Indonesia definitive terrorist method supernatural human commanding group want to blame alien family god on this progress. Definitive already being busted by connections experience ordinary life 666 discovering peoples from United States of America, and also about ordinary job and economic, personal, financial name Irwan Cornell. The suspect from Country Indonesia include also about government there and politician and also police and also military and social neighborhood also context here. That's all, and see you again on my next internet. Yeah, thanks. Baiklah, terima kasih. Pada hari yang ke-6 alam ciptakan manusia seturut serupa seperti Trinitas Kristiani. Pernyataan pengakuan penemuan nomor termasuk ke dalam Alkitab atas nama 1666 Irwan Code Discovery definitif telah diterima pesannya ataupun recording suara pengakuannya oleh Alien Family International beralamat di negara Amerika Serikat yang termasuk juga atas nama Islam Internasional, Arab, Emirat, dan Israel, serta negara-negara Asia dan Eropa. Jaringan internet global masa kini, internet ID 1666 Irwan Code Discovery populer sekali secara internasional
sampai ke benua Afrika dan negara-negara di benua Afrika tentunya. Nigeria, termasuk juga Arab, dan terus kepada Asia, negara-negara Asia, serta juga Amerika Serikat. Terima kasih dan sampai jumpa. Assalamualaikum and Om Swastiastu. Shalom, God bless you, and Bodhisattva